So here we have another quick unboxing video. This is just so we can have a nice close look at the side repeaters we have here. These fit a number of different Fords, such as Focus Mark2, Fiesta Mark6, etc. This is a chrome inner which takes a standard bulb. So this is just a crystal clear chrome side repeater kit. So I'll get these opened up and have a closer look. These side repeaters are fully E-marked, they are road legal and they are MOT compliant. So what we've got in the kit is a pair of side repeaters, a pair of amber bulbs. So as you can see, totally crystal clear lens with a chrome background. These are designed just like the original ones, so they just click straight into the wing, and then the bulb holder just twists into the back of the side repeater.